Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more shots like this. This description is based on publicly available historical and tourist materials. The official website of the Janowiec municipality, information from the Vistula Museum in Janowiec, and the Janowiec Castle article on English Wikipedia. High on a steep escarpment above Poland's most important river stand the monumental ruins of Zamek Janowiec. For centuries, this place attracted travelers, merchants, and powerful noble families. From here, the wide valley of the Wisła unfolds, along with the picturesque town of Kazimierz Dolny on the opposite bank. The very location of the castle reveals its original purpose. It was meant not only to impress, but above all to guard the important river route and surrounding lands. Construction began in the early 16th century at the initiative of the Furlej family. The main founder, Mikolaj Furlej, decided to build a modern bastion-style fortress here. From the beginning, the castle combined defensive features with residential and representative functions. Over the decades, it was expanded and transformed into an increasingly impressive noble residence, incorporating Renaissance and later Baroque architectural elements. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more shots like this. During its peak, Janowiec was one of the important cultural and social centers of the region. Feasts, meetings of noble families, and significant gatherings took place within its walls, reflecting the wealth and influence of its owners. The castle dominated the landscape not only physically, but symbolically it was a sign of prestige, power, and control over river trade. However, the turbulent history of Poland did not spare this structure. In the mid-17th century, the castle suffered serious damage during wars and invasions. It never regained its former glory. Abandoned and neglected for centuries, it slowly fell into ruin, as nature gradually reclaimed the site stone by stone. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more shots like this. It was not until the 20th century that preservation efforts began to protect the remaining walls and secure the ruins for future generations. Today, the castle serves as a museum and forms part of a larger historical complex with a park and an open-air museum. It is a place where history meets landscape, and where the raw stone walls contrast beautifully with the greenery of the hills and the blue ribbon of the Vistula River. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more shots like this. From an aerial perspective, it becomes especially clear how carefully this location was chosen. The layout of the walls, the position on the edge of the escarpment, and the sweeping panorama of the river valley show that nothing here was accidental. Even in ruin, Janowiec makes a powerful impression not as a perfectly preserved fortress, but as a majestic reminder of past centuries. This description is based on publicly available historical and tourist materials. The official website of the Janowiec municipality, information from the Vistula Museum in Janowiec, and the Janowiec Castle article on English Wikipedia.